Hello students, let us start question number 9 of question 8 of chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. This question is same as of your previous question. So this is the ground, and let this be the point on ground. In this figure, AB represents the height of pedestal because the statue is fixed on a pedestal. So this one is pedestal, and A to D represents you the height of the statue. So this is the height of statue, and AB is height of pedestal, and C is any point on the ground. So in this figure, point A represents the top of pedestal and bottom of statue, and D is top of statue. And in this question, the angle for the top of both pedestal and statue are given. And in previous question, you were given that bottom of ट्रांसमिशन टार एंड टॉप ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन टार वो एंगल आपको गिवन थे, बट यहाँ पर टॉप ऑफ पेडेस्टल एंड टॉप ऑफ स्टैचू. तो सेम फिगर विल बी देयर बिकॉज point A is common for both. So now the angles are of, this angle is of 45 degree and this one angle is of 60 degree. And in this question, height of statue is given 1.6 meter, meaning AD given है आपको, and we have to find the height of pedestal. We have to find AB. So in figure, again we can take two triangles. In triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent 45 degree, and we get AB is equal to BC. Again, in triangle BCD, BD by BC is equal to tangent 60 degree. And see, we can split BD into two parts, and we can write BD as AB plus AD by BC is equal to tangent 60 is under root 3, and BC को हमने AB के इक्वल फाइंड किया है, तो इन प्लेस ऑफ BC we can write AB, and AD is given because AD is the height of statue. Now we are having an equation in AB, so we can solve it. So therefore AB plus 1.6 is equal to under root 3 AB. Now 1.6 is equal to AB into root 3 minus 1. This AB will be shifted to this side. Under root 3 minus AB. Now rationalizing it. For rationalization, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by under root 3 plus 1. And it will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by under root 3 square minus 1 square. And it will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. And 0.8 is equal to AB. So therefore, height of pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. It means in this question, on the ground there are two type of buildings. One is tower and other one is some building. एंड एक के फुट से हम दूसरे के टॉप को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. सो इन दिस फिगर फिर क्वेश्चन फिगर विल बी लाइक दिस एंड दिस इज द फुट ऑफ वन building and this is the foot of another. Now in this question, what is the main point? मेन जो इसमें स्टूडेंट्स की गलती होती है बेटा, that is of marking the angle. And now here we will use a simple concept of geometry. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. तो it means अगर मैंने CD को बड़ा बनाया है तो यहाँ पर मुझे ग्रेटर वाले एंगल को मार्क करना है, दैट इज 60 डिग्री एंड ये मेरा एंगल होगा 30 डिग्री. एंड नाउ आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है द एंगल ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ टावर फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ बिल्डिंग. सो दिस इज टावर, मीनिंग टावर की हाइट जो है दैट इज ग्रेटर देन द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. एंड हाइट ऑफ टावर इज 50 मीटर. And AB is height of building. Now on the basis of given figure or given statement, we have to find the height of the building. Again two right angle triangles are there, ACD and ABC. First of all, from triangle ACD, because CD is given, we will find the value of AC. Then we will use the value of AC to find AB. So in figure, in triangle ACD, CD by AC, now angle is of 60 degree. So CD is given, that is 50 by AC is equal to root 3. So therefore AC will be 50 by root 3. On rationalizing, we get AC is equal to 50 root 3 by 3. Again, in triangle ABC, AB by AC is equal to tangent 30 degree and AB is equal to AC into 1 by root 3, and we have calculated AC just now, that is 50 root 3 by 3 into 1 by root 3. Cancel and AB will be 50 by 3. So therefore AB is equal to 16.67 meter. So height of building is 16.67 meter. Question number 10. Two poles of equal heights. Now this is the ground and these are two poles which are of same height. Heights को exactly equal बनाना है. A, B, C, D. So this is pole 1 and this one is pole 2. Both are of equal height, standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide, and BD is width of road and its width is 80 meter. From a point between them on the ground. Now concentrate on the word point between them on the road. You have to take a point on BD, but that will is not the midpoint. मिड नहीं है वो, उसको हमें किसी भी एक पोल के नियर लेना है. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30. मीनिंग फर्स्ट पोल के जो टॉप का एंगल है दैट इज 60. तो इट मीन्स पॉइंट जो है वो फर्स्ट पोल के नियर है बिकॉज एंगल इज ग्रेटर. एंड सेकेंड पोल के लिए एंगल जो है दैट इज 30 डिग्री, वो एंगल स्मॉलर है. तो इट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट इज फार अवे फ्रॉम सेकेंड पोल. Now these two angles are given and this is point P. And we have to find the height of the poles and the distance of point from the poles. दोनों poles की हमें height find करनी है and जो point है उसका distance from both poles meaning मुझे BP and DP को find करना. Now in figure, because width of road given है, let BP is equal to x. तो therefore DP will be BD minus BP is equal to 80 minus x meter. Now we can take any of the triangle ABP. AB by BP is equal to tangent 60. And BP is x. Tangent 60 is √3. So AB is equal to under √3x. Again in triangle, second triangle is CDP. So in this triangle CD by DP is equal to tangent 30. But CD is equal to है DP के, AB के sorry. But CD is equal to AB. This is given. So we can write AB and DP is 80 minus x and tangent 30 is 1 by √3. So we will get AB is equal to 80 minus x by √3. Now this one value is also of AB and this one is also of AB. So putting the value of AB in equation 2 from 1, we get under √3x is equal to 80 minus x by √3. Here we get 3x plus x is equal to 80, 4x is equal to 80 and this gives you x is equal to 20 meter. So therefore BP is equal to 20 meter and DP will be 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. So these two are the distances of the poles from the point. Now we have to find the height of pole. So therefore height of each pole is equal to AB √3x from equation 1. Sorry, AB is equal to under √3 into x. So AB will be 20 √3 meter. So therefore distances are 20 meter and 60 meter and height of each pole is 20 √3 meter. Question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of tower and width of canal. So in this question, let us assume that AB is the height of tower. Now BC represents the width of canal. And there is a point which is 20 meter away from C. So let us take this point as D. And this distance is given to us, 20 meter. And angle of elevation from first point, meaning from point C, for the top of the tower is given to us, that is of 60 degree. Now point D is far away from the tower, so its angle will be smaller than the previous one. Now the angle is of 30 degree. So this is our figure, and we have to find the height of tower and width of canal, meaning width of canal BC को find करना है and AB को find करना है. Again two right angles are there in figure. In triangle ABC we can take any of the triangle, tangent 60 degree, and AB is equal to BC root 3. Again in triangle ABD, AB by BD is equal to tangent 30, and AB is equal to BD by root 3. Now we can put the value of AB from equation number 1, and here it is BC root 3, and BD can be splitted into two parts, BC plus CD. By root 3 it will be 3BC minus BC is equal to CD. So we will get 2BC is equal to CD, and CD is given to us. CD is 20 meter. So therefore BC will be 10 meter, meaning width of canal is equal to 10 meter. Now we have to find the height of the tower also, and height of tower is AB. So therefore AB is equal to BC root 3, and AB will be 10 root 3 meter. So therefore height of tower is 10 root 3 meter. Simple question.